Your business is growing. You need another branch, but they refuse to use your branding. The DBA. That's okay, actually. We support all flavors of logos, colors, customization, even amongst the same company. You build what we call a hierarchy structure. So basically, the way this works is you're able to manage, if you're an admin for your company, and add subcompanies to a parent company. These can be very robust if you want. We have some groups that have, 80 branches. It's like huge, and many different types of branding, different logos, different letters, different settings, different all this stuff custom. So you can see I've got Dab Mortgage right under my PAM University. I've got my Magic Mortgage because they're big Disney fans, and I have a veteran branded company here as well. And so basically all you need to do if you're an admin is go to your company settings, or go to switch companies, click company structure, and click add subcompany. If you're not an admin, you won't have this. You won't have this option. So you'll have to message us and ask us to create a subcompany for you. Once we do that, then you can go in and you can manage the branding and the colors and the settings and all that good stuff. Okay. So that is how we handle branding and a hierarchy structure for your growing mortgage company.